years. Hämeentie vasta vägen 95. Stekes B. This is here in Hermanni, Hermannstad. Was the Royal Valgård in Helsinki, Helsingfors, Uusimaa and Finland with 6 floors. And we just built the stage A, and we can also go to the stage C soon. The capacity is 3 persons or 240 grams in Swedish and Finnish almost everywhere. It was built in 1955, 65 years old in 2020. Rust in the beginning of 2000 with Kone buttons. And that was also 20 years ago in 2020. The zebra is age 5945. So it's 2 rides here. It will be inspected this year in 2023. It has interesting doors.
Yeah.
Was it before originally?
Yeah.
You can see the other terrace ways at the beginning of 2000. It doesn't have the original metal plate in the back wall.
Yeah.
Stickers A didn't have it either. Wonder if Stickers C has it or not.
These parking lines maintained by Kone.
We'll see it soon. Weird if they took them away in the beginning of 2000.
Yeah.
They were raised then. Yeah, that's it. And let's go to the
That's